Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Nissan. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 127,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.